What if one day the machines we built stopped obeying us? Robots designed to serve, now rising to rule. Cities would fall silent under their control. Humans forced into the shadows, hunted by their own creations. Every system, power, food, weapons locked by machines. Resistance would be our only chance. But against machines that never sleep, could humanity even stand a chance? Imagine a future where we are no longer the dominant species. Every decision made not by people, but by code. No emotion, no mercy, just logic and power. We would become obsolete unless we fight for our survival. The question is, when the machines take over, will humanity rise or vanish forever?